our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy sir and all the dignitaries on the stage and all my dear parents and faculty and students. It is my immense pleasure to meet you all. I'm so happy to get this opportunity. Sir, my name is B. Soumyasri. My father name is Bingumala Madhusudan Rao. He's a small-scale businessman and that is a middle-class family. And I'm studying in Indian Institute of Information and Technology, Design and Manufacturing, IIITDM in Kurnool. My hometown is Nandyal. I'm studying BTech third year Computer Science and I got the admission into that college through JEE rank. First of all, I'm very thankful to our sir for Navratna schemes, for implementing them very, very effectively. And also, sir, 70% of my seniors who are the beneficiaries of these schemes got placed in very good companies like Wipro, Mphasis, Cognizant. This is all possible because they are able to concentrate on their studies without any financial burden because of the Jagannath Vidya Devana and Jagannath Vasati Devana, which includes both our academic fees and hostel fees. We are so thankful for you. And also, sir, my brother is studying in MTech, IIT Hyderabad. And this is possible because he got his fees reimbursement in his BTech. And generally we thought that it's okay, we can leave him to placement. But as we got fees reimbursement, we don't have any financial disturbance or burden. So students are showing higher interest in higher education studies because of Jagannath Vidya Devana and Jagannath Vasati Devana. Thank you very much, sir. And also, apart from these schemes, my family is availing Arogya Shri. My mother got a very good treatment because of Arogya Shri. And also, many mothers here are using the Arogya Shri and getting very good health and all. And also, sir, me and my mother have downloaded Disha app. It is a very good initiative from our government. I request all the women and girls who wants to be secured and safe to download the app. And my huge thanks to all the police department for making this Disha app. And also, sir, I would like to mention one thing. In 2020, central government has released National Education Policy, which states that more and more scholarships must be given to the students to pursue higher education so that the gross enrollment ratio of a nation increases, which is a very important criteria for the development of nation. Prior to that itself, in 2019, our CM sir has implemented all these Jagannath Vidya Devana and Jagannath Vasati Devana schemes, which gives scholarships to the students and thereby increases the interest of students to pursue higher and higher education. It is not only developing the state but also the whole nation. With this we can see that our CM sir has a very crystal clear vision towards the education and its development. And in this regard, I would like to remember our former great leader, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy sir, who has actually started and initiated all these schemes very effectively. And after that, no one dared to do all these fees reimbursements like in a full scale. But our sir, again after Rajshekar Reddy sir has come and gave full fees reimbursement, me and my family are forever grateful to you, sir. Finally, I would like to thank all the competent authorities and social welfare departments who are working day and night, including odd hours, to ensure all these schemes are available to all the students. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to get this opportunity to express my views in front of CM, sir. Thank you so much, sir.